Hey, what's up YouTuber? It's Tim from Kendrick Garage. Today we're gonna do a ceramic coating on the Tesla Model 3. We're gonna go walk around the vehicle. So here is the vehicle, as you can see. You can tell it's really dirty. So we're just gonna wash it, prep it real quick, and then ceramic coat it. So as you can tell, it's a wrap. So reason why we're gonna ceramic the vehicle is to protect the wrap so it can last a little bit longer. If you don't ceramic the wrap, then let's say bird doo-doo on your car or whatever, then it's going to get stained, bar spots, and etc. So we want to make sure this wrap lasts a little bit longer and then protect it from the sun rays and all that stuff. So we'll be using R1 coatings. So we'll be using this stuff. We previously applied on our FRS over there. So basically the stuff will last for 5 years. And your car will still look clean like this. And this car haven't been washed for like 2 weeks already. You can tell it's still looking clean. You can tell it's on the wheels. We ceramiced it. So we'll be applying to that. Alright guys, stay tuned for the update and I'll keep you guys posted once the car is done. So we just washed the car. Getting ready to give it a wipe and stuff like that, but you can see it's not ceramic yet. See all these pores right here, you can see right here. The glass is ceramic, but it's not. So later on you'll see the results. So this is non-ceramic, you can tell. You see all that water right there. Usually it's supposed to bleed off. See right here. See bottom here too. Alrighty guys, the car is finished. We just ceramiced it, as you can tell. Alrighty, we'll be doing a water test. As you can see, all the beads, the water just repelling out of the ceramic coating. So if you guys like the results, go ahead and feel free to contact us, info@KendrickGarage, to book the appointment, and then we'll be happy to help you out with ceramic coating and paint correct with your vehicle. Benefit of ceramic coating, it helps protect your vehicle paint or wrap from acid resistant. Let's say a bird poop on your car, it won't like leave stains or anything, compared to like unprotected. You have like bird acid on your car and then you ruin your paint or your wrap. It's also hydrophobic, as you can see from the video. It just bleed out water, so it won't like leave a stain, or it's easier to dry for your car. And also it's scratch resistant too, so protect your car from like light swirls and all that stuff too. So feel free to like this video and subscribe to us for more upcoming videos and product release and reviews. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys.